In this episode of FUM0140 Machining, we are going to do some heavy metal work, namely cutting a piece of iron, which I will show you shortly, well, that's a big block of iron I need to cut in a suitable piece, and well, let's see about that. Well, this here is the block of iron I need to cut, and this one is, it weighs quite a lot, about 30 kilograms. But what I need to do here is to cut it from about 15 centimeters from here, cut it all the way through. And then after I have done that, I will cut the other way around here. This is not rectangular, so I need to get it away. And what I'm going to use for cutting this is my angle grinder. You can see it there in the background. This tool here, the green stuff here. And there is the support attachment, which is very practical in this case. There is a very beautiful weather outside, one of the best weather so far. So I will be doing this, of course, outside. Okay, how about that? It's quite heavy. It's still more than, well, maybe 10 kilograms altogether. And yeah, and now this should be straightened in the milling machine. That will be next. So I already have set up this milling machine for the configuration I want to have it. I'm not adjusted, you can adjust this to a suitable distance. I'm going to use this in a horizontal milling configuration because it's easier to put the block into this table and clamp it there. Here is the setup I'm going to use. It was one of the easiest I have ever done. So, just two of these machinist vices, one for each side, two parallels under, and then these two clamps. There you are. Well, this is now turned 90 degrees. The fresh milled side is under there. It became mirror finish. Very nice. Well, I succeeded in destroying the inserts, and for this reason I got chips like this for a while. Just turned the inserts and everything was alright after that. Here is now a baby face. It's a really nice surface finish, and furthermore it's plain, like level. There are no deviation whatsoever. So, I have learned something about this milling machine now. Yeah, whenever you want to do cuts like this, like horizontal cuts, and then change your Z and do another and yet another. So the Z-axis must be locked. That was some heavy metal working, and the result? Result is this block which is now rectangular. It is perpendicular and it is parallel as far as I know. And the surface finish is, well, it's decent to the least. Well, next thing to do with that one is to create the dovetails. Dovetail for to mount it on the base plate. And this one is in the next episode, and it will be very interesting. Measuring it and setting it properly, that will be, well, it's the first for me, so I will progress really slowly here and think everything at least 3 times before doing. Measuring everything 10 times before doing, etc. But till then, see you!